Hi everyone, it's me Ashlee, your derma skincare expert. Welcome to another skin coach session. Now, today's topic is going to be another interesting topic because we are going to talk about the stuff, some usual stuff that you might put in your skin, and I will tell you what is this stuff that you should not put in your skin. The reason behind I would like to bring this topic is that one of the lady that I've been assisting this few days now is that she is actually into some DIY skincare remedy at home. She likes to have some holistic approach in her skin, so she's very careful, but unfortunately there are some DIY solution that she is doing for a long period of time and it gets a little bit of reaction in her skin. So these are the things that you should never put in your skin, and I will explain this to you why. Now, I know that some of the DIY solution that you are doing, maybe you think that this is like natural, and I definitely respect you for that, and I do understand it's natural, it's affordable, but do you know that even this natural product with their purest active ingredients or really pure and richness active ingredients, sometimes it might not be good for your skin if you are doing this. So I'm going to tell you what are the things that you should avoid. These are the 5 things that you should avoid, and you should never ever put it in your skin, and I'm going to tell you why. So one of these things that I'm going to bring about is the toothpaste. I know maybe some of you read like an article that you have to put toothpaste in your pimples, especially when it's inflamed, because it's gonna get rid the pimples. Maybe some of you are already doing this, but be careful, because when you apply toothpaste in your face, what does it do? Actually, it will increase the melanin production, and that will lead discoloration in your skin. So be careful about applying toothpaste in your skin, especially when you have acne, because the thing is also when you have a sensitive skin, when you apply toothpaste in your face, especially when you have an inflamed acne, it kind of triggers the melanin production, over melanin production, that can cause a hyperpigmentation. And also bear in mind that mint is very common ingredient used in the toothpaste, which can actually irritate the skin. So be very careful, because it might gonna be another trigger factor for you to cause breakouts. So toothpaste is number 1, like no, you should not put this in your face. So if some of you who are already doing this, my advice for you, my friend, don't use toothpaste in your face, especially if you are suffering from breakouts. I'm telling you, it's better you go to the pharmacy and seek for advice, or you go to your doctor, because they are the one who knows best for your skin. Especially if you have a very delicate skin, if you have a sensitive skin, don't try to experiment. I know the DIY solution is something which is, we always run out. We are always running for a DIY solution, especially when we are suffering from something. But if you have a pimples, this is something that you need really a good active ingredients that will work on that particular issues. So toothpaste is no for your face. Now, the second things that I would like to highlight is when you put hot water in your face. Now, for some of you, maybe you are doing this especially over the winter, because you know in the winter all of you want to relax, and having a really hot shower, it's kind of give you a relaxing feeling, especially over the winter time. But I'm just gonna highlight why you should never put really hot water on your face, because sometimes when you have a very sensitive skin, and also if you are suffering from any kind of skin condition like eczema, or even though when you have a normal skin, when you put the hot water in your skin, the main thing that's gonna happen is that it's gonna strip away all these lipids, this natural oil and water that is serving as a protective barrier in your skin. When you are stripping all this out, this is how the irritation, the dryness started. So putting a hot water in your skin. I do understand if you are doing any kind of steam facial, that's fine. If you go to your salon and you make it done there, it's fine, because these people, they know what they are doing. But if you are doing it yourself, straight away hot water, I highly advise do not use this, or do not put this in your skin, because it also can burn your skin. So this is not really advisable. You can go for a lukewarm water, this is fine. However, putting a hot water in your skin, this is no, it can burn your skin, and at the same time it can really strip away all the moisture, which is very, very important in your skin. You do not want to remove that, because otherwise you're going to start to have a problem in your skin. So hot water is something that you should never ever put in your skin. Now the third thing that I would like to highlight is putting a lemon in your face. This is number 3. Now, putting lemon in your face, especially in the intimate part of your body, especially in the underarm. I've seen a lot of videos, and I've seen a lot of recommendations, like all these D.I.Y solutions, combining stuff together, especially to get rid of discoloration or uneven skin tone. However, if it's working for them, I highly respect that. But in my own opinion, putting a lemon is not good for all kinds of reasons, especially for the people who are sensitive skin. Now, the thing is, this kind of high level of citric acid content can actually damage your skin, because this high level of citric acid, it can irritate the skin, it can burn the skin, and sometimes it can even trigger to a breakout. So putting a lemon in your face or putting a lemon in your skin in general is not really advisable. Lemon is actually good. You can think about lemon when you are doing any kind of juicing, or when you do some like flavoring in your food, that's fine. To intake the lemon is very good, but to put it directly in your face, especially this very delicate face, do not use it, because maybe you're gonna hurt your skin more than helping your skin. So be careful about putting lemon in your face. And also, ladies, if you have a hyperpigmentation, it is better that it should be treated really accordingly with the guide of dermatologists, because when you have a skin which is a little bit sensitive, even though if you have a normal skin, but if there's some triggers and if there's some alteration of your pH, for example, it can damage your skin. So when you have a discoloration of hyperpigmentation, it's better you consult it with your doctor, or you should go for a good treatment specifically for the hyperpigmentation. Now, number 4 that I would like to highlight is waxing. Maybe you are a little bit shocked about this, but I will explain this to you. A special attention for those people who are taking any kinds of medication for acne, or people who are taking some anti-aging treatment, or when you have a sun damage before. When you are already taking some kind of a treatment like this, and then you wax a large portion of your face, be careful, because it might gonna irritate your skin. And I'm gonna explain this to you why. The skin in our body, the large skin in our body, it's fine, it can tolerate the waxing, it is fine. But if it's the large portion of your face, be careful, because it might gonna irritate your skin, and it will cause more damages in your skin. So I highly recommend that if you have a facial hair, especially for those people who are hairy, it's better you go to the aesthetic and get some laser done in your face, but really do not wax your face, because there are some active ingredients that may actually trigger some irritation in your skin. It might damage your skin. So waxing in your face, do not wax your face, okay? Now for those ladies who has a lot of facial hairs, if you really want to do some waxing and you really want to try this, my suggestion is do some spot test first, and it is very important before you apply a huge part of your skin to avoid irritation. So I highly recommend it. When you buy the brand, do some checking. You should check it first, put it a little bit here, and then you can check your skin. If your skin is not reacting, then you can apply it. But if your skin is reacting, especially after you apply the wax, it's better not to do it to avoid any kinds of irritations in your skin. And last but not the least is using an expired sunscreen. Maybe some of you who are already doing this, my ladies, I advise do not use any kind of expired sunscreen. Yes, I know, maybe some of you, especially in summertime, and the reason I bring this topic because, as you can see, it's summer, so we want to prepare ourselves, and maybe when you go out on the beach or when you go to the water park or whatever, and you just reach out those old sunscreen and you are applying it in your skin, then I'm going to explain this to you why you should never use an expired sunscreen. An expired sunscreen can actually irritate your skin, and once again, it will not protect your skin from the sun, so don't go for expired sunscreen. My ladies, it is your skin, so really invest in sunscreen because this is very, very important in your skin. And of course, at the end of the day, you want to enjoy your vacation, you want to enjoy your time with your family or with your friends, but again, you do not want to sacrifice your skin and you want to go home like a tomato in your skin. So really invest in sunscreen if you go out, and do not use any expired sunscreen because at the end of the day it's not going to give you any benefits because it is expired, and worst, maybe it also going to create irritation in your skin. So do not use an expired sunscreen. So that's all for today. These are the 5 things that you should avoid and never put in your face: hot water, toothpaste, lemon, expired sunscreen, and also waxing. Be careful, do some checking first. You have to do some spot checking first, okay? Maybe because it's gonna irritate your skin, so be very careful. So I hope you learned from this video, and if you have any question, I appreciate if you can write your comment down below. For those people who are new into my channel, if you are new into my channel, I would appreciate if you give me a like if you enjoy what I'm doing. Subscribe into my YouTube channel. Don't forget the notification bell so you will be updated in my latest video. And for all my subscribers, I would like to say thank you so much for your support, and of course for really appreciate your comments. And please, if you have any skin related concern, I highly appreciate it if you can share it with me, connect with me. So that's all for today. I would like to say thank you so much. See you in my next vlog because I'm going to cover how you are going to protect your skin from the sun. For now, I would like to say thank you so much. Have a nice day and see you. Bye.